Fabric softeners play a critical role in garment feel, static reduction, and scent profile, while also influencing machine performance and fabric longevity. This comparison evaluates 5 widely available options across price, fragrance, and formulation, including hypoallergenic and scent-enhanced offerings. My methodology blends hands-on testing, pour method, dosing guidance. Fabric softeners play a critical role in garment feel, static reduction, and scent profile, while also influencing machine performance and fabric longevity. This comparison evaluates 5 widely available options across price, fragrance, and formulation, including hypoallergenic and scent-enhanced offerings. My methodology blends hands-on testing, pour method, dosing guidance.
Product number 2, Downy Free and Gentle is a hypoallergenic, unscented liquid fabric softener designed for sensitive skin. It is free of dyes and perfumes and is marketed as dermatologist tested, offering a fragrance-free option while still delivering the softening and anti-static benefits expected from a conventional Downy product. The bottle provides 44 fluid ounces with up to 60 loads, placing it as the budget-friendly choice within this comparison. Performance-wise, it delivers reliable softness and static reduction without introducing fragrance or colorants that can irritate sensitive skin. The unscented profile, however, means it lacks the aroma dimension that many users value from fabric care products. It remains compatible with both HE and standard washing machines and can be a straightforward Product number 3, Downy Infusion's Mega Dryer Sheets. Downy Infusion's Mega Dryer Sheets offer a concentrated softening and scent experience in sheet form, focusing on calming lavender and vanilla bean notes. Although marketed as a dryer sheet, it complements fabric softening by reducing static and adding fragrance that lasts through wear and storage. This pack contains 180 sheets, 3 boxes of 60, representing a long value proposition for households that predominantly use dryer sheets in tandem with liquid softeners. In practice, these sheets deliver a more robust scent aura during drying, with the antioxidant-like effect of 3x more softening ingredients claimed by Downy, potentially translating into softer fabrics and reduced wrinkles. The 4-in-1 benefits include softer feel, strong fragrance. Product number 4, Natural Fabric Softener, Liquid Natural & Co. presents a premium unscented, free from fragrance, free from dyes liquid fabric softener in a value pack format. The two 32 flu ounce bottles total 64 flu ounces and 42 loads per bottle, offering a fragrance-free option that aligns with cruelty-free and HE-compatible claims. This product is positioned as a high-value, skin-friendly choice without animal-derived ingredients. In use, the unscented formula delivers consistent softness and fabric care without introducing potential irritants. The packaging of a 2-pack increases per ounce value and reduces trips to the store for buyers seeking fragrance-free care. Given its cruelty-free stance, it appeals to ethically minded consumers and those with sensitivities to fragrance or dyes. Product number 5, Downy Wrinkle Guard Liquid Fabric Softener. Downy Wrinkle Guard is a wrinkle control focused liquid fabric softener designed to help garments look less wrinkled during wear. The Fresh Scent version comes in a 48 fluid ounce bottle. It combines softening with anti-wrinkle performance, aiming to deliver press-ready fabrics after wear while maintaining Downy's signature freshness and odor control. In use, Wrinkle Guard targets post-wash durability of fabric by relaxing fibers, reducing wrinkles as you wear clothes. It remains compatible with HE and non-HE machines and integrates with Downy's broader line. The wrinkle control feature is a differentiator for households seeking easy care garments, travel-ready wardrobes, or clothes prone to wrinkling. Consumers who value a crisp,